This is the transporter robot showing its switching of locomotion mechanism from the bottom rails to the overhead rails. This will be done by using a rope and pulley mechanism and with the help of sliders. Here you can see the upper platform raising its height so that it can go above the overhead rails. Now the bot will move forward so that it can get into suitable position to switch its mechanism from the bottom rails to the overhead rails. Here you can see the bot placing itself in the correct position. Now the upper platform will come down and the bottom platform will raise up. Here the bottom platform raises up and the locomotion switching from the bottom rails to the overhead rails is completed, and the bot moves on the overhead rails, and the picking arm of this bot will be fixed on the other side of the vertical wooden wall just opposite to that upper platform. This picking arm will almost be similar to the picking arm of the picker robot as described in the video of the picker robot. The picking arm will be almost similar to that, and it will be and here you can see the bot switching again its mechanism from the overhead rails to the bottom rails.